Speak Korean.
안녕하세요. Hello everyone. 한국어 선생님 한이에요. Today we are going to make Korean food and we have a special guest here. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
네, 이름이 뭐예요?
스테파니예요.
스테파니 어느 나라 사람이에요?
미국 사람이에요.
그렇군요. 스테파니, today we are going to make kimchi pancake, which is called kimchi-jeon in Korean. Okay, it's kimchi-jeon. Kimchi-jeon is very easy and simple to make and you can follow at your home. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's get started. So we're going to introduce ingredients first.
All right, what's
Okay.
first?
First, we have kimchi.
Kimchi.
We have flour.
Flour. And what is flour in Korean?
It's called 밀가루.
밀가루.
밀가루, that's right. Some eggs.
계란, right?
Right, 계란.
계란.
계란. And today we're going to use a little bit of cheese.
Cheese, my favorite.
Yes, and this will be the important one for today, which is oil.
And what is oil in Korean?
기름.
기름.
기름. Okay, so we only have these 5 ingredients, which will be simple and easy. Okay, are you ready? Alright, let's get started.
Alright.
Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we are going to cut the kimchi.
Cut the kimchi.
Okay, so we need a big bowl like this and we're going to put some kimchis. Okay, so when you make with kimchi-jeon, you can make it with your friends or with your family. Okay, so the first thing you gotta do is cut the kimchi into slices.
And
Okay.
honey, what is to cut in Korean?
In Korean to cut is 자르다.
자르다.
Right, 김치를 자를 거예요. Okay, we are going to cut the kimchi. Wow, we are cutting kimchi into slices. Okay, seems like we are done, right?
Looks like it.
Okay, and next we are going to put flour 밀가루. Could you please put the flour? 밀가루가 들어갑니다. Okay, so we have flour. And next, to make it more delicious, we are going to put some egg.
Some 계란.
Okay, 계란. Let's crack the 계란. And then we put. Okay, 계란. Alright. And okay, you're ready. And let's use whisk.
The whisk.
Yes, could you? Okay, mix it all together. Mix it. Okay, now it's time to cook the kimchi-jeon. We're going to use our frying pan. And we are going to use oil. Okay. Let's put some oil over here.
And how much oil should we use?
It's better to use much oil, like this much, to make it more crispy. Okay. Right. And after you put some oil, you need to adjust your heat to mid-low. Okay, in order not to get,
burnt kimchi
burnt.
done.
Yes. Okay, after we have oil, we're going to put some batter on the frying pan. So put some little bit of batter here, and then we're going to make it. Ooh, the sound, the crispy sound. Okay, we're going to put some batter and make it into circle. Okay. Okay, do you want to try?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Maybe we can put one more. We have make some space. Make some one more. Oh, it's gonna be crispy. And adjust your heat to the low. Use a little bit more. Okay. Okay, and maybe we can flip it over. Flip it. Ooh, wow,
that
it
looks
gets
good.
brown. See? Ooh, nice. Okay.
Should we add some cheese to them?
Yes, and we can maybe put this one first. Okay. Oops. Alright. Okay. Our first kimchijeon made, and then because kimchijeon is spicy, you can put some cheese. You can put some cheese over here. Could you spread the cheese a little bit on the top topping? Yes, looks yummy. Okay, seems like our cheese kimchijeon is finished. Okay. Oh, look at this. And look at this one. Okay, we finished making this kimchijeon. Alright. Okay. Should we make more?
Make more?
Should we make more? Okay. Let's try one more time.
Should we add some more oil or?
Yes, we can put some oil. Okay, do you want to give it a try? Okay, let's spread some oil. Okay. Okay, let's flip this together. Oh, wow, this one looks good. Do you want to try?
Yeah.
Wow.
Whoa, that looks good.
Be careful not to get burned. Seems like this one is ready. Okay, one. And we have two. And we have three. Wow, we made kimchijeon. It's very easy and simple. It doesn't take long time.
Right.
Okay, so why don't you try making kimchijeon at your home? Okay, this time we are going to make Korean dessert called Dalgona. Dalgona. Have you ever heard Dalgona?
I have. I've heard it from Squid Games, right?
Squid Game, 오징어 game. Have you ever watched it? Okay, so we are going to make Dalgona with this Dalgona kit. Okay, to make Dalgona, we need sugar.
Sugar. And what is sugar?
설탕.
Soltan.
설탕. And we need soda.
Baking soda.
Baking soda. And we need a little bit of plate.
A plate.
To put the dalgona, and then we are going to flatten.
Okay.
Okay. And could you introduce other things that we need?
Right. You also will need a little frying pan, presser to press the dalgona down. You will need some chopsticks, and you will need some sort of cutter shaped thing for it as well.
Okay, so everyone, are you ready?
Start.
Alright, so the first thing we need to do is we are going to put 2 spoons of sugar on this pan.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll put the spoons. Okay. 1 and 2. Right, look at this one. Okay.
And what do we do after it's melted?
Oh, we are going to put just a little bit of soda. As much? Okay, and just stir. Right, do you want to try?
Yes.
Okay. Stir as much as you can. Okay, Stephanie, is it your first time to make dalgona?
It is my first time.
So this will be Stephanie's first dalgona ever. And make sure that it doesn't get stick to the plate. So it's better to put a little bit of sugar on the presser, like this. Okay. Make sure that it's clean. Okay, I think it's time for us to press.
I think so.
Okay, right, so this dalgona we're going to press.
Put our triangle
Fine.
cutter.
In the middle. Ooh, our dalgona has been made. Do you guys want to see? Wow, this is our first dalgona.
It looks really cute.
Right, okay. Let us try one more time. Okay. Okay, let's put this in here. Okay. Wow, this one looks very fluffy.
Very fluffy.
Very fluffy.
pan.
Oh, we say 별.
별.
별. And 모양 is the shape, so we say 별 모양. 별 모양 달고나.
Alright.
Okay, wow, our dalgona has been made. Wow, let's put this over here. Wow, look at how good we are. Ooh, we made dalgona.
They're so cute.
Okay, everyone, we are going to play dalgona game. Stephanie, are you excited?
I'm excited but nervous.
Right, me too. Excited and nervous at the same time. Right, so we have dalgona shapes here. The first we have
Circle,
star,
triangle,
and umbrella.
And
Right.
honey, what are these in Korean?
Okay, so circle we say 동그라미,
Okay.
별,
별,
세모,
세몰,
우산.
우산.
Okay, we are going to play rock, scissors, paper to pick this game.
Alright.
준비됐어요?
Yes.
Okay, let's get started. 가위바위보! Yeah, I won! Okay, so I can choose what I want. And the shape that I'm gonna choose is circle.
Circle.
동그라미. Here, I'm gonna crack this one.
Alright.
Your turn.
I think I'm going to go with the star.
Okay, star.
I'm gonna try the star.
Okay. Alright, let's get started. Are you ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Ah. So first person who cracks first will be the winner. Oh, looks like...
Oh no.
Oops. It cracked?
I broke it!
No! And look at this one, everyone. I think I made the circle.
No!
Okay, so the winner of the game today is
Hani.
Okay,
Oh.
so everyone, today we made kimchijeon, kimchi pancake, and also Korean dessert called dalgona. Right, so Stephanie came here for today's special guest.
Right.
And how did you feel today, Stephanie?
I had a lot of fun today. I learned how to make new food. I've never made kimchi jeon before, but it was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. And the dalgona, although it seems a little bit hard, it's very fun to make. I'm so glad that I was able to make it with you,
Right.
and it was such a fun day today.
Okay, so everyone, why don't you try making Korean food and Korean dessert at your home? Alright, everyone, you did great job, and I will see you in the class. 다음에 만나요. 안녕.
안녕.